We have an update from Colt Nichols himself after his crash at the Australian World Supercross round, where he was taken away to the uh, hospital. Jeez, I couldn't even think of the word there. And obviously, this is one of those purely bad luck, bad timing crashes. Dean Wilson goes down, and the bike just decides to pop up and take him out. I mean, there's nothing you can do about that unless you're completely different line to start that rhythm section, and you can't blame anybody, not Dean Wilson, and it's not Colt Nichols' fault at all for that. It's just a pure bad luck RNG crash. But we do have a quote from him saying, quote, "Well, the Perth trip didn't end too well. I struggled Saturday night for sure, but felt better Sunday and had a racing incident happen in Main 1. Feeling beat up today, but nothing crazy. So rest up and see what the next few days bring us. Thanks to everybody for checking in." Now, this is what they have until December 4th for the finale in Abu Dhabi, where he at the moment sits ninth in WSX champion standings. And the funny thing is, apparently, per the rules of the FIM World Supercross Championship, PMG will be forced to fill in with a fill or forced to bring a fill-on rider if he isn't well enough to go. But from that's 10 days now, something like that, a little bit over. If he's just sore and there's nothing actually wrong, he probably will be able to make that round. I'm not going to be surprised if he doesn't or if he does. And hopefully he is just fine. Hopefully he is what he says. He's just, a little banged up, probably bruised, pretty sore, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Who do you think wins the finale? Do you think Tomac takes it? I think at the moment he's 46 points ahead of Roxon, so probably a pretty solid guess that he's going to win. But otherwise, tell me, have you been watching? Do you care about this? Do you think they're going to do it next year and continue on? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really just help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.